Okay, so we've got an October 2019 Kia Seltos Sport with the safety pack, which is a factory extra. She's travelled 5,000 Ks, 7-year warranty, so she's still got another 6 years of factory warranty bumper to bumper. Exterior condition is like new. I haven't yet detailed the car, but we will. It's just that good, I couldn't wait to get it online. We'll take a look at the interior. So you've got your multi-function steering wheel there with your cruise control, Bluetooth connectivity. There's your kilometres there, 5,600. It's got the big sat nav. It's actually a touch screen as well. Got your map, got your radio, all pretty clever. Dual zone climate air conditioning, automatic transmission. Driver's seat in excellent condition. I mean, everything's pretty much going to be brand new all throughout the car. There's your back seat there, like it's never been sat in. And you've got a nice big boot as well. All inquiries welcome, please give us a call.